welcome to my channel. This is Grace Tutor, and what I do here is solve technical drawing problems and also provide information that can help you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. This particular diagram that you see here, today the Ghanaian candidates for WAEC, they had their own paper today. So that is paper 2, paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, and thanks to a friend that forwarded these questions to me. Okay, so I want us to look at how we can solve this problem, and this is question 1. And as we have here that figure 1 shows an isometric view of a block. We are asked to draw full size the complete third angle orthographic projection of the block, taking the view in direction of arrow K as the front elevation. So this is the diagram as you see it here, and this is arrow K. Okay, so the front elevation is going to give us this L shape and also this shape that we have here, but it's going to be a rectangle. It's going to be a rectangle. Okay, distance from here to here is 80 millimeters, from here to here is 55, and then we have from here to here is 35. Okay, then the radius of this semicircle here is 15. So while the diameter of this circle is 10. So that is what we are going to get as the front elevation. Okay, so but we are going to and then for the plan, so distance from here to here is 50. Okay, so from here to here is 50, and then we have that what other thing do we have for the plan? So we already have thickness from here to here is 10. That's going to be in the front elevation, but you see I'm going to construct this object. So let's start. So the first thing that we need to do is to draw a horizontal line. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line like this. Then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So just coming to this side. So we are going to draw a vertical line here. So and I'm going to take a measurement of 80 millimeters. So here is 80 millimeters. That's the total length. So 80 millimeters. This 80 millimeters. Then we take 10. So the thickness for the plan, so we are placing the plan up here. The front elevation is here because we are drawing the views in third angle projection. So the 10 that I took from here to here is this 10 that we have from here to here now. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so with what we have there for the plan, so then we are going to take a measurement of 50 millimeters on this vertical line. So 50 millimeters, then we break it down into 2. That is 25. Okay, so 25. Then for this part that we have here, so from here to here, so from here to here is 15. From here to here is 15. So from here to here is 15. So so if we divide 15 by 2, so that will give us, I think I will change these dimensions because I can't see these dimensions very well. So I'm going to make it something like 20. So I'll make it 20. So that means from here to here is 10, and from here to here is 10. So and then so for this one I will still leave it. Just let me. Okay, let's make it to be something like 16. So just make it 16. So I'm just changing it. So just follow the dimensions when it is given to you. So I'm not this is not an exam for me. Okay, so I'm going to take a measurement here again. So from this point, so I will take a measurement of 10 millimeters down. So 10 millimeters down, and then 10 millimeters up here. So we have this. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So here now I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So and the horizontal line will go to both sides because we are going to draw both the left end elevation and the right end elevation. So this is a center line. So it goes like this. Okay, so we have this. Then I'm going to draw this line. So it goes like this. Okay, so also, so I'm going to draw this line as horizontal line. So it goes like this. Alright, so then here I'm going to draw a vertical line. So for this I will draw a vertical line. So at this point, so this will be a vertical line. Okay, so this also will be a vertical line. Alright, so and then So we have that total distance from here to this center is 35. So I have to take a measurement of 35 millimeters. So this is 35 millimeters. So it will be from this line here. So this is 35. So we should be the center of the circle and also the semicircle. So I'm going to draw a vertical center line. So here it goes like this. Alright, so we have this. So then the next thing that I'm going to do is that we are going to draw the semicircle. So just put at the center here. So extend it to this point here. So then we can go on and draw the semicircle. Okay. Alright, so we can draw the semicircle like this. Alright, so we have drawn the semicircle. And then for the circle itself, so the radius is 8. So I will take 8 millimeters on my ruler. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm doing here. So then we draw a circle. So the circle goes like this. I think this is too big. Alright, so we still make use of the dimensions they gave for that small circle. So I will still use 10 as it is given, but what I'm going to do is that I'm going to construct a square of length 10 here. So I'll take 5 and then so coming from this center, so I will take 5 here and 5 up here. So I'm going to draw a square so on this face here. Alright, so I will draw a vertical line. Here also I will draw a vertical line. So I cannot go ahead and so I'll just use my hand so to draw the circle. So the circle is small. Okay, so this is it. So we just leave it like this. Okay. Alright, so then the next thing that we are going to do is that to complete the plan. So to complete the plan, so we are going to make this line. So this line will be a thick line from here to here. Okay, and this line will also be a thick line from here to here. Then so this is a thick line. So I'm going to pause the video and bring out the feasible outlines of the object. Alright, so this is the plan. So now let's go and draw the front elevation. So we are drawing a third angle projection. So the front elevation will be down here. So we draw a horizontal line. So and it goes to both sides. Okay, so now we are going to take 55 millimeters down. So 55 millimeters down from this point. So we take 55 millimeters down. Then we take 10 millimeters up from where this 55 ends here. So and then we are going to draw a horizontal line here. Okay, so also here we draw a horizontal line. So it goes like this. And then the next thing that we are going to do is that so from here, so we take so the height from here to here. So the height of this is not given. I can't see it here, but I'm going to take it as 15 millimeters. So I will take 15 millimeters up. So this is 15 millimeters there. So then I'm going to draw a horizontal line so to both sides. Okay, so we have this. So all that we need here, but I also need to draw this point. So I need to draw a vertical line from this point here in the plan. So I need to draw it down so that we can have that part in the front elevation. So here I will draw a vertical line. So from here, so draw a vertical line down. Okay, so then the next thing that we are going to do is to bring out the feasible outline. So I'm going to do that while I pause the video. So this is the front elevation as you see it here. So now let's draw the left end elevation. To draw the left end elevation, so we take 45 degrees set square. So we are going to set it here at this point. So we set here at this point here. So then we are going to draw a line. So a line in this direction. So it goes up here. So let's do that of the right end elevation at once. So we also draw in this direction. Okay, so we have done that. So for the left end elevation, so left end elevation will be placed on the left side of the front elevation in third angle projection. So while in for the right end elevation, we place it on the right side of the front elevation in third angle projection. So that is what makes the the first angle projection to be different from the third angle projection. And also we have the plan up here, unlike that of the first angle projection, which the front elevation is placed here. Okay, so we draw a vertical line down here. So and also here we draw a vertical line. Okay, so then this is a center line, so we draw this center line. So we draw this as a center line down here. So we also draw a vertical line down. So and then here we draw a vertical line down. Okay. Alright, so let's look at the shape as we have here. So for the left end elevation, we are looking at the object in this direction, and we are going to see this rectangle. So this is the rectangle from here to here. So we are going to see this. This is going to be like a square or a rectangle. So we are going to have it like this. Then we have this rectangle like this. Then we are going to have this curve and this curve. So let's see how that goes. So what we need to do now is that I'm going to bring out this rectangle that we have here. So we are going to make it a thick line. So we'll make it a thick line like this. And then we also make this a thick line. Okay. Alright, so then coming up here, so here we have this. Okay, so there's something I still need to do concerning this, because so this line that we have for this circle, I'm supposed to extend it as horizontal line to both sides. So I didn't do that, I'm doing it now. Okay. Alright, so then I'm going to draw a vertical line. So at this point down. Okay. So then from here also, so we draw a vertical line. Alright, so then, so here we have what this is going to be hidden. So it's going to be hidden. So we draw it as short dashes line. Okay. Also we draw this as short dashes line. Okay. So the whole will be hidden in the left end elevation as we have here. So we have this shape. So then we are going to make this line. This line will be a complete thick line. But before that, so this curve that we have here, the radius is 10. We also have the curve here. So the radius is 10. So I'm going to take 10 millimeters. So I take 10 millimeters down. So this is 10 millimeters. And here also I will take 10 millimeters to this side. So we are going to form a square. So this is 10. And also this is 10. Okay, so then I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point. Okay, so also here I will draw a vertical line here. Then I'm going to draw this horizontal line, because we are still going to do the same thing for the right hand elevation. So I'm going to draw it. So from here I will take it to the right side. So we form the curve here. So to draw the curve, so I'm going to use my hand to form the curve. So it goes like this. So I'll just manage it like this. Okay. So also, so I'm going to take this. So from here to here. Alright, so I'll just leave it like that. So then, so this line now, so we now make it a thick line. here. So we also make this a thick line down. Okay, so this will be a thick line. So this is the left end elevation. So let's now go and draw the right end elevation. So what we need to do now is that, so from this point, so we draw a vertical line down. Okay, then at this point, so we draw a vertical line. Also at this point I will draw a vertical line. So at this point, so we draw a center line through this. Okay, so then I'm going to draw, say, a vertical line here. Then here I will draw a vertical line. Then here I will also draw a vertical line. Alright, so looking at what we have here on this side here, we are going to see a shape. So all this part will be hidden from us. This will be hidden, so this shape here will be hidden. Okay, so it's going to be hidden, and also this line up here will be hidden. So we need to take note of that. So let's start with that. So first of all, we are going to make this line. This line will be a thick line. This particular line will be a thick line. So there is it. So make it a thick line. So why this one will be hidden? So it will be hidden. So we make it short dashes line. Okay, then this particular shape here, unlike the way we see it here in the left hand elevation, it will not be like that. So this will be, the whole of this will be hidden. Okay, so also the whole will be hidden. So everything here is hidden from us on that side. Okay, so we also make this with short dashes line. Alright, so we have this. So other thing that I need to put here is the shape that we produce here. So we have already drawn our horizontal line 10. So then for this one I will take 10 millimeters. Okay, so here I will also take 10 millimeters here. So I'm going to form a square here. I'm going to form a square. Alright, so here I'm going to use my hand to produce the curve, and then here I will also produce the curve. Alright, so just manage it like this. So I'm going to make this a thick line. Then so this will be a thick line. Okay, and this will also be a thick line. So this is the right end elevation. Alright, these are the views as required. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you need to do is to practice. So thank you, keep on practicing, and God bless you.